Dear student, for the class 9, in the revision part, we are taking some practice question for the uh, all the chapters. And question number first, in triangle ABC, the bisector of angle B and C meet 8.0. OB and OC are the bisector, they meet 8.0, and prove that angle BOC equal to 90 degree plus half of angle A. Here OB and OC are the bisector, and we are proving BOC equal to 90 plus half of angle A. So we start from this. OB and OC are the bisectors of angle B and C respectively. Therefore, these angles are equal. इसको आप equal ले लो x and y. So angle B is 2x and angle C is 2y. And again using the angle sum property. In triangle BOC, x plus y plus angle BOC equal to 180 degree. And angle BOC equal to 180 minus x minus y. ये equation first. Again in triangle ABC, angle A plus B plus C 180 degree. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. एंगल ए बी के प्लेस पे 2x, यहाँ पर 2y, ये 180. 2 कॉमन ले लो, x प्लस वाई. 180 माइनस एंगल ए, यानी x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 180 माइनस एंगल ए अपॉन 2. and x plus y 180 by 2 90 minus angle a by 2. Put this value. ये वैल्यू पुट कर दो. ये माइनस इसका ब्रैकेट रहना तो x प्लस वाई. तो फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, फ्रॉम द इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, BOC 180 minus the value of x plus y is 90 minus a by 2. ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर 180 minus 90 plus a by 2. That is the 90 degree plus a by 2. Next question. In triangle ABC, in an isosceles triangle ABC, OB and OC are the bisector and join O to A. And first of all, prove that OB equal to OC. And second part, OA bisect angle A. OA bisects angle A. So first of all, ABC is an isosceles triangle. So in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC is given. Therefore angle B equal to angle C. B means ABC, C means AC. These angles are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. अब ये बाइसेक्टर है तो ये एक्स एक्स ले लो, ये वाई वाई. B and C are equal. Therefore half of B equal to half of C. ये भी कर सकते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई हाफ ऑन बोथ साइड, एंड हाफ ऑफ बी को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, एक्स, एंड हाफ ऑफ सी वाई, बिकॉज ओ बी एंड ओ सी आर द बाइसेक्टर, ये एक्स इक्वल टू वाई, एंड अगेन इन ट्राइंगल बी ओ सी, angle x equal to y, these angles are equal, so opposite sides are equal, OB equal to OC, reason sides opposite to equal angles are equal, so these are equal. Again the second part, OA bisect angle है, OA bisect angle है, OA bisect करेगा किसको, एंगल ए को, तो इन दोनों को आप कॉन्ग्रुएंट बता दो, ट्राइंगल AOB एंड ट्राइंगल AOC. Here x equal to y and AB equal to AC and OA equal to OA, but directly triple S. First AB equal to AC given, next OA equal to OA common, and OB equal to OC, OB and OC are proved from the first part, we have proved above. So triple S, triangle AOB is congruent triangle AOC. AOB and AOC are equal, and these are congruent, so these angles are equal. 1 to 11, angle 1 equal to 2. Reason CPCT. So hence OA bisect angle A. Next question is the bisector of one base angle of a triangle, one interior base angle of a triangle, and one exterior base angle. The angle between the bisector of one interior base angle and one exterior base angle of a triangle is equal to half of the vertical angle. Prove that angle is equal to half of angle A. इसको इसका हाफ बताना है, एंड BE and CE are the bisector. ये बाइसेक्टर है तो ये एक्स एक्स, ये वाई, BE and CE are the bisectors of angle B and angle C respectively. C means AC respectively. So angle ABC is 2x and angle ACD is 2y. Again using the exterior angle property in triangle ABC and BC, दोनों में exterior लगेगा. In triangle ABC, ABC में देखो 2y इक्वल टू 2x प्लस एंगल है, 2 से डिवाइड कर लो, y इक्वल टू x प्लस हाफ ऑफ एंगल है, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट. एंड अगेन इन ट्राइंगल BC, y इक्वल टू ये एक्सटीरियर इक्वल टू x प्लस एंगल, ये इक्वेशन सेकंड. फ्रॉम फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड, x प्लस एंगल ही, x प्लस हाफ ऑफ एंगल है, x से x कैंसिल, और एंगल ए इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ एंगल ए, एंगल ए इक्वल टू हाफ ऑफ द एंगल ए. Next question is a cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter in diameter. A cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter in diameter and 63 centimeter in height is full of water. 63 centimeter height और ये पूरा पानी से भरा हुआ है. The water is emptied into a rectangular tank. इस पानी को एक rectangular tank में ओपन किया. अब 77 सेंटीमीटर लॉन्ग and 24 centimeter wide. Find the height of water level in the tank. In both the cases, the water is same, so the volume of water is same. Find the raised height of water in this tank. Level of height. Let the level of height be x centimeter. So volume of water in the volume of cylindrical tank equal to volume of water in rectangular tank. Volume of water in rectangular tank. Volume of cylinder का tank is pi r square h. Pi 22 by 7, r 16, h 63, and here volume is LBH 77, 24, and x 7, 9, 63. So 22, 16, 16, 9 upon 77 into 24. कैंसिल कर लो. 11 2 is 22, ये 7, 8 3 is 24, 8 2 is 60, 3 से 3, and x equal to ये 12 into 16 upon 7. So after the calculation, 192 by 7 and was division is 27.2 something. 27.2 centimeter is the raised height of water level in a rectangular tank. Next question is question number 5. The length, breadth and height of a room are 5, 4 and 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall and ceiling at the rate of rupees 7.50 per meter square. The length, breadth and height of a room is given 5, 4 and 3. 5, 4 and 5 into 4 into 3 meter respectively. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall and ceiling. The area to be whitewashed is the area of 4 wall is 2 into L plus B into H, and ceiling top L into B. Find this area 2, 5 plus 4 into 3 plus 5 into 4. Here 2, 5 plus 4 9, 54 plus 20, 74 meter square. 74 meter square is the area to be whitewashed. ये वो एरिया है जिसको वाइट वॉश करना है. अगेन फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग. कॉस्ट ऑफ वाइट वॉशिंग एट द रेट रुपीज 7.50 per meter square. So cost equal to area into rate 74 और into rate is 7.50. मल्टीप्लाई करो बस. Triple five and 0 and again it's 0 after the decimal. So rupees 5,000 sorry 555. 555 is the total cost of whitewashing the wall, area of the four wall and ceiling.